I'm Udo.
And I'm Judy, and we live in Los Alamitos. Before Millennium, the driveway had been done maybe 30 years ago, and the original layer stain had started to lift off. It was uneven. There were some areas that were darker than the other, and Udo would come out here and wash it down like once or twice a year, and then bought something from Home Depot and would spray it around to give it that glossy look. And it always looked great right away, but it wore off very quickly. Well, we did get a couple estimates. Millennium seemed to be the more reasonable estimate that we got, and they actually came out to the house. The other company, I guess, did a Google Maps and gave us a quote based on that, and that was not a warm and friendly experience.
Absolutely perfect. They were nice, they were friendly, they were professional, and we had absolutely no complaints.
And every day before they left, they cleaned up everything. I mean, it was spotless when they left here, any of the tape or paper.
Everybody thinks it's great, it looks good, it's professionally done, and we are very happy.
Udo says this is the best the driveway has ever looked. And for myself, when I pull around and start to turn in, yeah, I look and I just pause a moment to appreciate the driveway, the house, the coloring, how it all worked together. They know what they're doing. Millennium Construction knows what they're doing. The gentleman that chose the stain with our input has a good idea about color and how it will contrast with the house. And now it's no longer a one-day process for him. He would come out here and it would be a whole day process for him just to do what he did. And Millennium, you got customers and referrals from us. Anytime anybody stops, we're telling them it's all about Millennium. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.